Shapes 2.0. I'm going to make 3 shapes on this paper. And so as I line up the bottom of the protractor with the bottom of the paper, I'm going to move it all the way over to the left side. Hold it down and make a line. And then do the same thing, but all the way over to the right side. This way I can make the line a little bit longer. Okay, back to the left side. I'm going to line up the hole in the protractor with the left end. Line up the black line on the protractor with the line that I made. I'm going to put a dot in here and then one up at 90. Connect the dots. Now I'm going to use the centimeter ruler that's in the protractor. I'm going to line up that 0 line with the first dot, and then I'm going to go over 3 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, and then it's that long line right after the 3. I'm going to put a dot there, and then I'm going to connect these 2 dots to make a shape with 3 sides. Any shape with 3 sides is a triangle. Tri means 3, like a tricycle has 3 wheels. Okay, so now I'm going to measure over again. So I'm going to start with the 0 at that dot. And I'm going to go over 3 centimeters again. Find that big line after the 3 and put a dot there. Move the protractor up. And then put another dot up at 90. Connect these dots. Back down to the bottom. Line up the 0 with that dot. Go over 3 centimeters again. Put a dot. Line up the hole in the protractor with that, and then up to 90, put another dot, and connect these. Then just connect the dots on the top. And now I have a shape with 4 sides. Any shape with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. Quad means 4, like the quad runners have 4 wheels. Okay, so I'll line up the 0 with that dot, go over 3 centimeters, put a dot, line up the hole in the protractor, and this time I'm going to go to a different number. So instead of 90, I'm going to go all the way over to 120. Put a dot right there. I'm going to turn the paper because I want to line up these dots, but I'm not going to connect them all the way. I'm going to line up the 0 with the centimeter ruler with that first dot and line up the dots, but I'm only going to go to 3 centimeters. Put a dot there. Then the 0 for that first dot. Go over 3 centimeters, put another dot. Move the protractor up, and now I'm going to go to 60. Put a dot at 60. So again, I'm going to use this dot to line up the ruler, but I'm only going to go 3 centimeters for this line. So I'll line up the 0 with that dot down there, and then go out to 3 and put a dot. And connect those, so I have a 3 centimeter line. Back down to the bottom, line up the 0 with that first dot. I want to go halfway in between these 2 dots at the bottom. So that's 1.5. That's that line that's in between the 1 and the 2. Move the protractor up and then go up to 90 and put a dot. Then I'm going to connect these 2. And then these 2. Now I have a shape with 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Any shape with 5 sides is called a pentagon. Penta means 5. In fact, there's a building in Washington called the Pentagon.